एम्स्टर्डम। आज बहुत ही स्पेशल डे है बिकॉज वी हैव अ टूर बुक्ड टुडे। सो व्हाट वी डन थ्रू आउट दिस एंटायर ट्रिप इज हमने काफ़ी सारे टूर्स बुक किए हैं थ्रू गेट योर गाइड, बिकॉज हमें गेट योर गाइड पे बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टाइप के टूर्स मिल रहे थे। एंड आई एम समबडी हु एब्सोल्युटली लव्स डूइंग इमर्सिव थिंग्स एज मच एज आई लाइक walking around and exploring a city. I love doing hands-on immersive things. I feel like that kind of, just pushes you into the culture even more. So today we are doing this tour from Amsterdam, jahan se we're going to this place called as Zaanstad, and it's a very beautiful place. अगर आपने इसके बारे में सुना नहीं है तो I'll give you a little bit of a brief. It's basically the place which is like the heart of Holland. जो आपने वो wooden shoes देखे होंगे, जो चीज़ के बारे में सुना होगा, which is what Amsterdam is very famous for. वो फैक्ट्रीज वहाँ पे है एंड देयर आर नंबर ऑफ विंड मिल्स ओवर देयर। बेसिकली जो कंट्री साइड होता है एम्स्टर्डम का, वो वाइब वहाँ पे मिलता है। सो दे टेक यू ऑन अ टूर एंड देन दे ब्रिंग यू बैक एंड ड्रॉप यू हियर एट द सेम स्पॉट। सो वी हैव टू गो मीट देम एट वन मीटिंग पॉइंट। उसके लिए हमें ट्रैम लेनी है यहाँ से। सो वी विल बोर्ड अ ट्रैम एंड गो टू द मीटिंग पॉइंट जहाँ से हमारा टूर स्टार्ट होगा। वी आर प्रीटी मच ऑलमोस्ट रेडी, जस्ट पुटिंग ऑन आवर शूज एंड सॉक्स एंड आउट द डोर। ओके, सो ऑन द ट्रैम स्टॉप right here, waiting for a tram to come and on to the central station. हम हमारा मीटिंग पॉइंट ढूंढ रहे हैं। हम वैसे तो टाइम में हैं, बट अगर अभी नहीं मिला मीटिंग पॉइंट तो हम काफ़ी लेट हो जाएंगे। सो वी ट्राइंग टू रश एंड फाइंड। ऑलराइट, टिकट्स मिल गए हैं जो हमारे पास गेट योर गाइड पे थे, but they give you like physical tickets, and now we have to go up these stairs, and yeah, we'll know the next steps once we get there. The guys are waiting there, so the feeling of a central station in a new country is just unmatched. It feels so surreal, it feels beautiful, especially Europe ke jo public transport hai is insane. I just love it. It's just so fascinating. Every time I come to Europe, it's pretty fascinating. So that's our bus, guys. It looks like a double-decker bus, according to Ishan. जो मुझे भी अब लग रही है, क्योंकि इसकी हाइट देख के ऐसा लग रहा है। We'll know. हम बैठ चुके हैं बस में। It was indeed a double decker bus. हम ऊपर वाले डेक में हैं and we're very pumped to go on this tour. ये पूरा डे टूर है, by the way, 7.5 घंटे का टूर है। We're very excited. Yeah, and they've given us these earphones so we can hear about whatever we're passing by.
To play a song for you, he wants to go to Holland's Got Talent.
Countryside, and it already feels so beautiful. This is like a magical fairy tale town. This is literally my dream. Matlab, this is my retirement dream. Have a countryside house, have some sheep.
Or be a sheep.
Not be a sheep. Have a sheep. Have sheep and stay amongst the windmills. Ishan is laughing at my retirement dream. Why are you laughing? Is it too funny? A little unrealistic, to be honest. But this is where I see myself in I don't know how many years, but living in a countryside with some animals, having a farm, wearing cottagecore dresses, and that's it. Drying my clothes, cutting my fruits. This is so beautiful. This is like the storybooks I used to read as a child. It's beautiful.
Milk.
Really?
Big, yes. But you will taste it.
There's only very few people who can make really good hot
And
chocolate.
the problem is, if you taste the good one and you go to another
Then you-
place, you have it with water. It's not the same.
That's
So,
true.
No.
Anyway, the hot chocolate that we get back in India is not that great.
Oh,
This will give you two, so you don't have to share.
thank you so much.
It's with cinnamon. You can dip it in your hot chocolate. Tonijn is speculaas. It's nice.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Cheers.
यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ducks हैं, okay? They're just freely roaming around. You want to tell them? ईशान के पैर से duck उड़ गया. So apparently मैंने मेरा फ़ोन कहीं पे random space पे रखा था to get like a video of both of us when we were having a hot chocolate. तो फ़ोन अचानक से गिर गया मेरा. And ईशान went to like get my phone. उसको नहीं पता था नीचे डक है. वो एकदम स्पीड में गया. तो वो डक जो बेचारा आराम से चल रहा था वो फास्ट फॉरवर्ड हो गया और कहीं उड़ गया. It was hilarious. Anyway, so I just wanted to tell you guys, अगर आप ना यहाँ पे आ रहे हो, जो पीछे windmills दिख रही है, you can get a separate ticket to enter the windmill. That's a separately paid thing. You can do that. But अगर आप वो नहीं कर रहे हो, जैसे हमने वो नहीं किया, हमें windmill में नहीं जाना था, तो then you have this 1 hour to explore by yourself. तो हम अभी अपने आप यहीं पे चल रहे हैं. And just going to be exploring the place on our own. तो सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द टूर जो है उसमें हम जा रहे हैं एक चीज़ म्यूज़ियम में, जहाँ एज यू कैन सी चल के जा रहे हैं, बट लुक एट द व्यूज़. वी आर वॉकिंग थ्रू दिस लिटिल विलेज, लिटिल टाउन, एंड ओ माई गॉड. सो अपेरेंटली यहाँ पे लोगों के बीच में कॉम्पिटिशन होता है कि किसके विंडोज़ और डोर्स सबसे ज़्यादा प्रिटी होंगे, विच इज़ वाई यू सी वन बेटर देन द अदर, बिकॉज दे लिटरली कम्पीट विद ईच अदर कि हमारा ज़्यादा प्रिटी है या किसी और का.
Traditional Gouda or farmer's cheese. Actually, the correct pronunciation of this name in Dutch is Gouda. Yes, so you know it as Gouda, but we Dutch people, we say Gouda. Yes, very good. So don't be confused when my colleagues and I offer you a piece of Gouda, okay?
If you love cheese, this is a cheese lover's haven. You guys will lose it if you come here. And the cheese is like... Alright, so we ended up buying these and this guy. Okay, so हम cheese factory से बाहर आ गए हैं. Again, they've given us an hour to just wander by ourselves. Also, they've told us कि ये एक ही जगह है जहाँ पे हम मतलब last place आज के दिन में खाना हमें मिलेगा. So we should be having our lunch over here. So we're looking for a place जहाँ पे we're not really hungry, but we're looking for a place कहीं कुछ मिल जाए, so we can just grab that. Chantal waffles. I am saving waffles for Belgium. That's why I'm not having it. Which is too much. So this is what Ishan ordered. It's a club sandwich of sorts, and it looks pretty heavy. It looks pretty nice. It comes with chips, as you can see. Here you go. So we ended up finding a spot where we found something that Ishan wanted to eat. He wasn't liking much of the menus here, so we found a place जहाँ पे उसको कुछ अच्छा लग गया तो हम यहाँ पे बैठ गए. This is what the place looks like. It looks really nice. It's like an old tavern, but it's a very nice place. So we ordered food which is come. यहाँ पे खाएंगे. मुझे यहाँ पे स्पेसिफिकली कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगा. मुझे सिर्फ सूप खाना है और सूप यहाँ पे था नहीं. जिस तरह का सूप मुझे चाहिए था. So probably I'll stop by another place and just have some soup. But for now we're just going to have this and then. Volendam is a fisherman's town, which is why there's a pier. You can see the ocean. There are boats parked here. तो यहाँ से आप एक boat ride भी ले सकते हो. Again, like the entry to the windmill. This one's also separately charged. We didn't want to take the boat ride, so we're going to be meeting the others who will be taking the boat ride by bus. So half of us on this tour are taking the bus, and the half of them are choosing to go by the boat. You can see the people going towards the boat. वो लोग boat से जाएंगे.
Okay, my group can follow me. So that we're both.
Okay, so हमारा ड्राइवर क्योंकि हमें बस में जाने में और 5 मिनट है, वो हमें लेकर आया है to try some free cookies, free waffles, and it smells heavenly in here. Trust me, it smells like caramel.
Brings the new here, the free tasting with the names, yes.
Oh.
Alright, so welcome everyone. How are we doing? We try again, okay? How are we doing, guys? This thing can do miracles. So welcome everyone, welcome. My name is Gabriel and I'm going to tell you today how we make our beautiful and amazing vlog! Absorbs water really quickly. Start all over again, and then I have to see your faces for a longer period of time. And I don't want that.
We've ended up coming to another little charming town, the last one on our tour today. It's called as Edam, and just look at these houses here. मैं सोच रही हूँ क्या लाइफ हो गई यार इन लोगों की जो यहाँ रह रहे हैं. How beautiful is this? Ended up just taking a stroll in one of these busy streets because it's very happening at this hour. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे shops है, souvenir shops etc. And since it's our last day today over here, हमने सोचा कि एक stroll ले लेते हैं, देख लेते हैं क्या है, anything worthwhile picking up or so. So that's what we're doing. Good morning from Amsterdam. वेरी वेरी कोल्ड एम्स्टरडैम. अभी बजे हैं सुबह के पौने 7, 6:45 AM and we are at the bus stop. You just saw टैक्सी लेके BNB से हम बस स्टॉप तक पहुँचे और यहाँ से we have to take a bus to Brussels today. We are done with Amsterdam. 3 दिन हम यहाँ पे थे. Now we are headed to the next place which is Belgium and we're going to Brussels. हम वहाँ पे एक ही दिन के लिए बट फिलहाल हम बस खड़े हैं कि हमारी बस आए. 7 बजे की बस है. ऑलमोस्ट 3 घंटे का सफ़र होता है. 7 o'clock की बस है. 9:45 हम ब्रसेल्स पहुँचे. इट्स अराउंड 2 hours 45 minutes. So once the bus comes, we sit and we go to sleep. Alright, so हम बस में बैठ चुके हैं एंड जैसे मैंने कहा 3 घंटे का राइड है यहाँ से टू ब्रसेल्स. Which is pretty cool, right? Not too bad. Changing different countries. Good morning. So finally मैं अपने होटल पहुँच गई हूँ. बट इनका चेक इन टाइम थोड़ा लेट है. मैं बहुत जल्दी पहुँचा. आई रीच फ्रॉम 9:45 AM और यूजुअल चेक इन टाइम होता है 12 बजे जैसे हर होटल को होता है. इनका भी 12 बजे पर रिक्वेस्ट किया है. सो दे विल बी गिविंग अस द रूम बाय 11. बट nonetheless the breakfast was still going on. 11 बजे तक breakfast है. So we came to get some breakfast और they have like a huge spread of things to taste. They have some really good stuff and I got some Belgian chocolate. I got some Belgian hot chocolate as well, so that's pretty cool. तो अभी बस breakfast कर रहे हैं. Then we'll see how the day goes. We actually have a few things. हम जहाँ पे रह रहे, this hotel is right in the heart of the city center. So we literally get out and you're in the city center. So all the places we want to see are like a very short walk away. So we'll have a breakfast, maybe head out or maybe then just check in the room and then head out and we'll see. Okay, the room तो अभी तक ready नहीं है. Breakfast थोड़ा बहुत खाया. I ended up getting my period today, which is why I have some chamomile tea, which will help me calm down a little bit. And so I'm going to take it a little slow today because I don't want to rush myself. I don't want to rush around. तो अभी जाना है. Room मिलेगा. I'm going to rest for a while and depending on how I feel, we will be heading out. क्योंकि जो भी है जगह, like I told you earlier, we're staying in the city center, तो जगह काफ़ी पास है. इतनी ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है. And in Europe everything is best walked because you get to explore more places while you're walking and so on. So I'm going to do that, but all depending on how I'm feeling a little bit later. Right now I'm just having my chamomile tea. I'm just going to rest in the room for a while and then we will see what the day spans out like. I have a handwritten note, which is something I absolutely love. If you guys know me, you know I love handwritten notes. I love handwritten letters. I am transported from that era. And it says, "Dear Gina, welcome to the Thon, Brussels City Centre. We're delighted to have you with us and hope you enjoy every moment of your stay. Make yourself at home." That is so sweet. You know, little gestures like this make a huge difference personally to me because I love anything that's handwritten. They've also left a little something here. So let's see कि इसमें क्या है. Oh. Okay, so they have kept a cable, a multi-cable sort of a pod, and it's so cute. It's pink. It's got a rubber duck on it, and it has multiple charges. It's got a USB Lightning cable, Type C, Type B. Very, very thoughtful, very cool. Then, of course, they have a Belgian chocolate. So that's that, and there's something more inside it. There's more stuff. Oh, there's a gin. There's a little gin bottle as well. And then finally, there's a little rubber duck. Everything in pink. This is so nice. This is so thoughtful. I'm going to of course share this video with Thon Hotels. So you guys, if you all are watching this, thank you so much. Really moves me. And you know, personalized touches like this make a huge difference to people who come stay. So thank you guys for this. Okay guys, so finally room के अंदर मैं आ गई हूँ. Let me give you a real quick walkthrough of this beautiful room. So firstly, this is the Thorn Hotels in the city center. It's called as Thorn Brussels City Center. Now Thorn Hotels has a lot of chains. They're also actually present across a lot of countries, different countries other than the Brussels. But मैं यहाँ पे हूँ अभी, और Brussels के अंदर भी और hotels है Thorn के, but I am at the city center one, which is a great advantage because you're close to everything. So here's a quick walkthrough. This is the living room. So when you walk in, you walk into this large airy living room, and I absolutely love spaces like this because it gives so much of sunlight, and I love places that throw in sunlight into your living space. And this is the sitting area. But here's my favorite part about this entire stay, and that is right here. There's a little sauna in my own room. Like literally, I can just go in here, turn it on, and sit here. How cool is that? In fact, I can even watch the TV from here. Itna paas mein hai. I have never ever in my entire life stayed in a room which has a sauna in the living room. I think this is the first one for me and for a lot of you watching as well, correct? Okay, let's go inside and show you guys the bedroom. So यहाँ से अंदर आके, this is a nice cozy little bedroom, and again a big window with a lot of light coming in, which is nice. They have the basics. They have a side table. They have a phone to connect, and then they have an iron board here as well, which is really nice. A little wardrobe stack to kind of hang your clothes, and then they have a bathroom, which is really nice because they have a bath and they have a shower. So this is the bath area and this is the shower area. They have some bathrobes. They have a toilet here, and they also have a guest toilet जिसमें सिर्फ एक toilet दिया हुआ है, nothing else, which is really nice. So I absolutely love this room. I like the location of the place more than anything else, and like I told you guys, I happened to get my period today. This couldn't have been a nicer place for me to kind of wind myself down. I think I'm going to call in for a tea, and I'm just going to sit and relax for a while. Alright guys, so like I said, I got my period, so मेरी तबीयत थोड़ी खराब हो रही थी. My stomach was really hurting bad, and so I thought I'll just take the day off. और मैं रूम में ही रहती हूँ. It's such a beautiful room also, so I just wanted to stay inside. Ishan has gone out though. He's exploring. He's doing whatever we were supposed to be doing today. So that's that. But that's all right. And I've been to Belgium before. I've been to Brussels before. तो जो जगह जाने वाले थे वहाँ पे मैं जा चुकी हूँ. But still थोड़ा सा FOMO तो हमेशा होता ही है कि आप कहीं पे जा नहीं पा रहे हो. But I'm really not feeling it today. So maybe in the evening if I feel slightly better, I might just step out, go to the city center, which is not too far, बहुत ही पास में ही है. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna take a nap because I really need that kind of rest. अभी हमारे पास इस trip के और बहुत दिन बचे हैं. We have 2 more new countries to go to, so I don't want to spoil my health or anything like that. I want to be fit and fine to be able to explore the rest of our tour. So I'm just gonna take it a little slow today. I'm just gonna rest. शाम को उठूंगी आराम से, and then we'll see how I'm feeling. Basis that we might just walk to the city center. Okay guys, so here I am. Mera ETA is 23 minutes to where Ishan is sitting, which seems pretty okay to walk normally, but on today's day it can be a bit of a task. So anyway, I am getting there. It's a perfect blue hour time. ठंड भी थोड़ी सी bearable है so far. So let's see. The weather seems okay. The good thing is कि यहाँ पे Amsterdam जैसे windy नहीं, at least अभी तो नहीं. क्योंकि temperature देखो वैसे भी when you layer up, temperature bearable होता है. What is not bearable is when it gets windy. That's what makes you feel cold. तो यहाँ पे windy नहीं है. मैं तो एक glove भी निकाल दिया है मैंने, and I'm just like walking. Amsterdam, I remember बिना gloves के like even for 5 minutes you could not stay. Your hands start hurting and getting numb. But it's okay here, it's better. It's cold, but it's very nice if you've layered well. Like I've layered 4 layers on top, 2 at the bottom. So it's pretty okay. Feels really nice. So I think मैं almost square पे पहुँच गई हूँ. This does look like a square. Surprisingly, everything seems closed. Also because today is a Sunday and थोड़ा जल्दी close हो जाता है या खुलता ही नहीं है, पता नहीं. So that's that. But I'm just like 8 minutes away from where Ishan is now. So let's go. at Maison Dandy and got some amazing waffle because Belgium aake Belgian waffle nahi khana is a crime. And that's Ishan, who I have reunited with over a waffle. And then what are we going to have next?
Fries.
How was your day, by the way? Without me.
Loved it. I think we should do that again. I should do that again.
Yeah, you should. I had a good sleep. Okay guys, we're gonna buy some chocolates for back home because Belgian chocolates are known worldwide and Newhouse happens to be one of the best places that you can buy it from. So let's see. Store called as Newhouse जो मैंने आपको दिखाया अगर and this is exactly by Grand Place तो आप वहाँ तो आओगे because it's the center तो वहाँ से इस शॉप से आप चॉकलेट्स उठा सकते हो. They have good rates and they have such variety of chocolates. हर तरीके की चॉकलेट यहाँ पर मिल रही है तो हमने पूरा बॉक्स भर के चॉकलेट्स लिए to sum up all of our chocolates from this trip. Alright, so now it's completely lit up जो main area है the Grand Place. When I came आपने देखा था कोई लाइट नहीं थी कुछ नहीं था but now it looks like this. It looks so pretty और it keeps changing color. I think there's a specific time जब ये colors होते हैं just like the Eiffel twinkles at every hour. This one in the evening as well becomes like this. And of course the famous Belgian Godiva chocolate. There you go. Fries place जो apparently इतना popular है कि there's a whole queue over here for that. Look at this. Okay, so the fries are here. Yum, they look nice. Alright guys, so that is it from this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video from Amsterdam and Brussels. And stay tuned for the next one if you guys loved this one. Please don't forget to like this video if you liked it and subscribe if you still haven't. It really means a lot to me. And more than anything else, stay tuned for the next episode. It's going to be epic because it's going to have my most favorite place. So stay tuned. Paris पहुंच चुके हैं. Eiffel from my window. Essentially a bakery. Mine is a croissant and iconic Adidas.
Still can't believe I'm standing right by the Eiffel, guys.